For our project, we worked with Drosophila flies, which had Parkinson's, and we gave them either treatment of caffeine or Red 40, which is the food coloring in like red Gatorade or red nachos. And as part of the experiment, we had to do brain dissections. And so it took me a long time, but when I finally got a successful brain dissection, I could actually see a full brain under the microscope, and it was really cool.
In this class, my partners and I were all really interested in neurology. We took a project that looked at neurodegenerative diseases, and we went all the way from, formulating a research question all the way to interpreting data and writing a paper. That has been really, really fun, and I definitely want to continue doing that in my medical career and taking things that I've seen in the clinic and really understanding them at a molecular level.
It has definitely strengthened my interest in research and encouraged me to apply to multiple research co-ops. Working in a research lab now, I walked in already familiar with the equipment and several procedures. I felt more comfortable thinking about and through the experiments and problem solving in the lab as well.
I think the biology project lab really solidified my interest in academic research. Going into it, I was already interested in research, but I didn't have a ton of experience. And I think a lot of the experiences I had throughout the course really helped me to solidify my interest in it and also really prepared me very well for my future research experiences.